How about classic Ford time? Let's take a look at this one. (1937) Ford Model 74 Tudor sedan. Now, of course, in 1937, Ford introduced its new models actually in the fall of 36, November of 36, and it was quite the extravaganza with the new styling. Ford coming out with its new models. This particular style would have been one of them. Now, underneath the hood, flathead V8, like this would have came with from Ford. That is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Went to the slanted grates on the grille. Of course, the famous Ford V8 badging. The Frenched in, if you will, headlights would have been how that would have came from Ford. 37. Take a look at the chrome in this one. Appears the front bumper has been re-chromed. Obviously along the line somewhere this car has had a repaint. Still some kind of patina to it, but yet very presentable. Previous owners of this car had it for quite some time. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior, the engine bay, the underside, you'll be able to see the trunk. Check that out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And, of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. This car is all steel. As you can see, riding on wide whites and the artillery-style wheels of that Ford V8 insignia wheel cover. Now, when I kind of talk about the patina, you're going to see a little bit of age in some of the chrome. You got a little bit of pitting on the hood fastener. That will be the hood ornament and also the hood latch. And the paint, you're going to have some light scratches. It does show its age a little bit. Just kind of makes it cool in a car like this. It's not like it just came out of a paint booth. Not perfect, but very well represented model of the Ford family in 37. Come back here. Sometimes you hear them called the humpback. Hot rodder circles. You actually have the trunk back here. Now, in the trunk included in this, there is another of those artillery style wheels for the spare with a tire on it. There's also a couple antennas, just a few miscellaneous parts, jack stand that will go along with this. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the paint has a nice reflection coming off it. And again, look nice rolling into any of your cruise-ins, your roll-ins in your local area. Have a little fun with this. Be able to take family members with, grandkids with the back seat. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. You'll be able to check out the still pictures and see the interior of this, which is also quite cool because it is kind of era correct. Looks like you'd expect for a, as we would call it, a stock style Ford. Obviously, seats have been redone. This headliner, very interesting. Looks very similar to what would have been original. So the interior done up nice to kind of keep with the era, keep it looking like a stock 37 banjo style steering wheel. Original gauge cluster and radio, as you can see there. You'd have the push button start over here. Obviously the dual side mount spots. Now let's go ahead and, of course, you just initiate the ignition there, turn it on. I'm going to hit the starter button over here. Still a 6-volt system. Spins it over nicely, starts easily. Make sure we're neutral. I did not have the choke on it, sitting indoors, so did not need to choke. Choke's right there. Smooth running flatty. All right. Door closes and shuts nicely. Slip around to the back. It's going to sound like you'd expect out of a flathead. Alright, let's go up to the front. I can open this hood one-handed. Let's see how this goes. Show you this works. I'm going to turn this handle to the left. Try to lift by the base of it or by the edge of the hood. As you can see, still has what would be considered like a prop rod or hood support back there. And it does work. We're going to lift it up far enough and let it back down. Holds the hood in place. All intact. Looking quite stock underneath the hood and engine bay also. Volt battery mounted here. Kind of tough to get under there too far, but there you can see the heads on the flat. Smooth runner. So you're looking for more of a stocker 1937 Ford Tudor sedan. Here you go. Give us a call. All steel car. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation of this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.